वेलकम यूट्यूब वासियों, आप सभी का स्वागत है एक इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूज़ के साथ जो रिलेट करती है इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर इंडस्ट्री इज सेलिंग होप नॉट साइंस। आइए अधिक जानकारी के लिए इस न्यूज़ को रीड करते हैं। Walk into any pharmacy or supermarket and you will find slabs of pills, teas, gummies, multi-herbals and juice shot promising to boost strength or supercharge your immunity booster may be one of the most successful, psychologically seductive marketing perhaps ever invented, but it is also one of the empathies. Let me start with the basic. Your immune system is not a single entry single entity with a volume knob you can rank up and down. It is a sprawling two-part defense network. The innate system, consisting of your skin, muscles, and roaming scavenger cells, react to almost anything within minutes. The adaptive system, consisting to T and B cells, learn the precise identity of a specific microbe and remembers it for decides, so these cells can kill it when the time comes. The immune system is 100 एक सेकेंड रीड करते समय ये छोटी सी बलैया आ गई है। अब मैं इसको अरे अरे उड़ गई। कहाँ गई? कहीं काट ना ले। शायद उड़ गई, डर लगता है, नहीं तो काट सकती थी। कहाँ थे? The immune system is hundreds of cells type and signaling molecules constantly networking without your knowledge to protect you from various diseases. Telling people to boost that with a gummy is like telling an orchestra to improve by asking one violin to play louder. Do you need a booster? Here is the part the advertisements never mention. Do you not actually want a boosted immune system? An immune system turned up to high is Exactly what make people miserable it is why we get allergies and autoimmune disease like an army turning on its own citizen. In survive infections, patients often died not from the gums but from their own immune system overreacting. What is called the infamous cytonic storm. The goal is never to be louder but smarter and well regulate. Vitamin C is the patron saint of this math. Decides to careful trials later, we know better. Routine vitamin C does not stop you catching cold and at best saves a few hours of the one you already have. Zinc and vitamin D supplement just drain you wells if immunity boosters work it as advertised. Hospital would shock them next to antibiotic, but instead supermarkets place them next to the chewing gum and candies at the checkout. At one point, natural quietly stopped meaning harmless. In America, drugs injury registry herbal and distillery supplements went from causes 7% of reported liver injury case in 2005 to 20% today, a more than five-fold rise driven largely by exactly the products marketed for immunity. Turmeric and green tea extracts, ashwagandha and multi ingredient immunity blends. By buying in immunity booster, you are inside the unlicensed trial you never consented to. Many of these products are unregulated misla bladed